right, happy Tuesday morning. This is once again Brandon Campbell coming with another video on why you should keep your options open when it comes to making extra income. There's many people out here today that are without a job, without unemployment, without any type of help of assistance from anyone. And whether you one of those 25, 43 million or not, you should always keep your options open when it comes to making extra income, because you just never know what you might pass up. I mean, just think about back in the 90s, when, small companies like Microsoft and other little companies like that, stock was really, really cheap. And for all the people to say, oh, I don't know, it's not worth it, right now, them same people are wishing that they took the opportunity and became a part of that, because the ones that did, now they sitting off being wealthy. And I just, like a lot of times, it's a lot of advertisers that come across all our Facebook feeds and talking about opportunities and stuff. I advise you, take the time, take a look into it. It might be something that interests you. Maybe it's not. Maybe it might be for you. Maybe it's not. But, when you come across an opportunity, keep your eyes open for the chance to be able to make another income, because the moment that you decide you don't want to, and that opportunity becomes an opportunity, you find out it's going to be an opportunity of a lifetime, you will regret it and wish you had took that opportunity. I know a lot of people like to think a lot of opportunities are always network marketing, affiliate marketing, or scams, but still, just take the time, investigate it, and see if it's something that you might be interested in that could work along the lines of your schedule and help you produce some income and the desired results that you have and you want for your life. Right now, everybody should want a second stream or a third string of income, but if you got a job, you should be looking for a second stream of income. If you don't have a job, then you need two, because this new economy that's coming up, it's gonna be treacherous for those people that do not have two or three streams of income. Everything is already going sky high, which is soon to come down in the next couple of months. Between now and the end of the year, the stock market gonna look like worse than it's ever been. And what a lot of people fail to realize is that, these numbers that y'all see, these jobs numbers, they are some fake numbers. But back to what I was talking about, always keep your mind open, your pocketbook open for, opportunities to come your way. You never know what may come. You never know what you might miss out on. And, right now, during this depression is what I call it, it's a lot of opportunities out there to make money, to buy business, to do something. But, you got to get off the fence and hit the ground running. It's money to be made out here. I don't care what none of these so-called experts that be on TV say. It's money to be made. So next time somebody presents an opportunity to you, just listen and see if it's something that you can work or not. And shoot, you guys have a nice day.